been so lost, chasing what I know I'll find. You got me so high, leaving me waiting all this time. You tell me that you need some space, some time to go and clear your head, and that you need to go and find your place. But you should be here with me instead. Now I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, waiting's got me feeling so down. I can't control my heart, and it's you that has it falling apart. I can't keep chasing.
Halo, jumpa lagi guys di El Hanif Channel. Pada kesempatan kali ini kita berkesempatan untuk membuat box subwoofer 12 inci dengan ketebalan kayu 18 mm. Mau lihat keseruannya? Ikuti terus. Dan sebelum itu jangan lupa subscribe, like, share, dan komen. Selamat menonton dan ingat, jangan lupa komen. Tapi hal yang positif, jangan yang negatif. Terima kasih. Ya.
Why can't you see all the pain that you've left me, all the scars you've left behind? Why you go and setting yourself free? But I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna stop this, so I'm always gonna chase my heart, even when it gets too dark. And I never wanna see this break, even if it's a mistake. Always hoping that you gon' come back and stay. But I'm starting to lose hope, cause you won't pick up your phone. And I'm trying to save this on my own, and I'm feeling so alone. Starting to set itself in stone that you're never coming back, and you're happy on your own. I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, it's got me feeling so down. Can't control my heart, and it's you that has it falling apart. Can't keep chasing, cause my feelings keep on spinning around. You got me.
Proses pembuatan box subwoofer, kita menggunakan kayu NDF yang tebalnya 18 mm. Jadi supaya menghasilkan suara yang bagus. Jadi kalau Anda ingin butuh box subwoofer yang bagus, datang ke Mandiri Mobil Banda Aceh.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in.
Pembuatan subwoofer. Jadi di sini kita menggunakan serba elektrik semua nih, elektronik. Jadi untuk pakunya kita nggak pakai palu lagi, udah pakai tembak seperti ini. Ya. Supaya apa? Supaya hasilnya memuaskan. Jadi kita menggunakan kayu NDF yang tebalnya 18 mm ini supaya menghasilkan suara yang bagus. Jadi kalau Kalau Anda ingin memasang audio di mobil, Anda bisa hubungi ke nomor 081269 336622. Alamatnya Jalan Mr. Muhammad Hasan, Batok, Mandiri Mobil. Oke, terima kasih.
Like an ocean in my head.